Hello, namaste. How are you all? I am fine. Today, let us discuss about the techniques to attract the life as we want. Yes, you are listening to me correct. To attract the things as we want. You know, we all are having many wants, many wishes. We want to be rich, we want to be successful, we want to be happy, we want to be healthy, so many things. You are knowing our wants are unlimited. And many times we want to fulfill the wants, but we try. But many times we may not be successful in fulfilling it. But mind you, today I am going to give a key how to open the door of success or how to get what you want. Yes, we can do it. It is the power of imagination, law of attraction, law of manifestation. It is called by different names, but really it works. Really it works. I want you also to try it and realize and get you want. What you want. What is your wish? First of all, have a clear-cut knowledge of what you want. Let it be crystal clear in your mind what you want. If it is good health, let it be. Is it a big bungalow? Is it a very costly car? Whatever it is, let it be clear in your mind what is your wish. Means your wish should be clear. Then you should visualize it. What is visualization? Visualization means bringing the thing you wish right in front of your eyes, in front of your inward eye. You are knowing the poets say that when I lie down in my couch and I close my eyes, the scene comes in front of my inward eye. In the same way, whatever is your wish, it should be in front of your eyes. Suppose if you see a movie and then come home and then just sit and just visualize, you can have the movie as it goes on. This is called visualization. Or many times we can visualize the things which happened in our life. In the same way, close your eyes and the picture of your wish or what you want should come right in front of your eyes. And not only having the picture, then imagine you have already got it. Suppose you are wishing to have a big bungalow, a big house. Imagine that you are in that house. How you are having the house, in front of the house you are having a nice garden, this and all. Just imagine it as if you are enjoying it in the present. So imagination means nothing but it is a type of mental training. And visualization is a beautiful art, very beautiful art. And it is nothing but bringing your future to present. You are bringing your future at present and visualizing it. So first thing is clear. Visualize the things of your wish. And then is have a vision board. Have a vision board means strategic planning it is. Write down whatever is your wish. Suppose, as I told you, you want to have a car. Have the picture of the car, write it down. Then, or if it is a job, if it is a big bank balance, whatever it is. If you want, you can sketch the goal. As I told you, if you want to have a big house, if you are a good artist, if you are a good painter, you can have a beautiful painting, drawing. You can draw it nicely with nice colors and hang it in your room. It should be always in front of your inward eye. Then use all your 5 senses, what we call Panchendriyas in India. Panchendriyas means you are knowing that is taste, listen, you can see, hear, everything. So use this as if you are suppose you are sitting in your beautiful house, and you are looking at the things. You are having a beautiful garden in front of your house, and you are having beautiful flowers in that. You can smell the flowers. So in this way, use all your Panchendriyas or 5 senses, and it makes everything as if it is real. And again, make a rehearsal of it in your mind. Rehearsal means imagining it again and again. Have a success map. And always be positive. Think, suppose if you want to be rich, say, I am rich, I am richer. And you are knowing, whenever you speak, the intensity should go inside your subconscious mind. If you want a big house, you should tell that I want a big house. Don't say I don't want a small house. No, negativity should not be there. So always use positive words. And to have all these things, you should have a calm and pleasant mind. Then what you should do? Daily you should meditate. What is the time for meditation? Early in the morning and before going to the bed. Because your mind should be very, very calm, quiet, and you should always think about your wish, your want. And when you are doing all these things, you should do your work. Whatever job, whatever business, whatever you are doing, do it with full faith, with full concentration. It should be done. Otherwise, don't be under the impression I will bring a nice picture of a car and I will sit inside my room looking at the picture and thinking that I will have a car. No. Even God helps those who help themselves. So you have to work, whatever your job, business, whatever it is. You have to keep on doing it with full concentration, with full honesty, everything. And at the same time, whatever you wish, it should be always alert, attractive. It should be properly visualized in your mind. The full picture of what you want should be in front of your inward eye. You practice it within a short time, it is my promise to you, you will get whatever you wish, whatever you want. And have a calm mind. Be positive always. Always be positive. Always be optimistic. Be calm. Be kind. Keep on doing your work, whatever you are doing, with full faith, full honesty. Then whatever your dream will come true. Have a good day.